Welcome back. Here's an integration question. The diagram shows part of the curve y equals 32x minus 4x squared minus 48 and the line AB. The curve and the line AB meet the x-axis at A and meet again at the point B, 5, 12. The line CD is parallel to the y-axis and passes through the maximum point of the curve. Find the area of the shaded region. Let's work through a solution. Step 1. The first thing we want to do is find the coordinates of A. To do that, we'll let the quadratic equal 0. That will help us find the x-intercepts. So we just rearrange the equation to have 4x squared minus 32x plus 48 equals 0. We factor out the 4 and we factorize the quadratic. So we'll have 4 times x minus 6 times x minus 2 equals 0. So x will equal 2 or 6. 2 is the smaller number. So A is going to equal 2. 6 would be the result of drawing this graph down to the x-axis. So 6 would be around here somewhere. So point A is 2, 0. In step 2, we want to find the coordinates of C. The line CD passes through the vertex, so the line of symmetry can be used to find point C. And the formula is x equals negative b on 2a. In our question, b is 32 here, and a here is negative 4. So 32 on 2 times negative 4 times negative 1 will give us 4. So x equals 4. That's the line of symmetry. And that means that this point C will be x equals 4 here. Those calculations give us the bounds of integration, which are x equals 2 and x equals 4. In step 3, we want to find the equation of the line that passes through AB. So that's this line here. So we are given 2 points, A, which is 2, 0, and B, which is 5, 12. Now we want to find the slope of AB. So that's the difference in the y coordinates divided by the difference in the x coordinates. So that's 12 minus 0 on 5 minus 2, which gives us 4 for the slope of the line AB. Now we want to find the equation of the line AB. We are given that the slope is 4, and we'll use the point 2, 0. And this is our slope point form for a straight line. So the x1 represents 2, and the y1 represents 0, and m is 4, that's the slope. That gives us 4x minus 8, which is the equation of the line that passes through AB. The next step is to find the shaded region. To do this, we'll let the upper function be fx, so that's the quadratic function here. We'll let the lower function be gx, so that's the straight line 4x minus 8. The shaded region then is the region bounded by b and a, and this is the difference between the two functions, fx minus gx. So the upper bound is 4, the lower bound is 2, and we have our quadratic function minus the linear function. That will simplify to 28x minus 4x squared minus 40. At this point, 4 was factored out, so we move 4 to the front here. Now we integrate 7x. 7x is 7x squared on 2 minus x squared, which is x cubed on 3, and 10, which is 10x. Now we find our area. We substitute 4 into our function here. It will give us 56 minus 64 on 3 minus 40, minus, after substituting in 2. So we get 14 minus 8 on 3 minus 20. That will give us 4 times negative 16 on 3 minus negative 26 on 3, which gives us 4 times 10 on 3. The final area then is 40 on 3, or 13 1/3 square units. That's the shaded area of the diagram. Thanks for watching.